Okay, so he gets his grab in. Sorry, ready? Up, grab, sink, kick to the groin.
When you do that there, that's when you get it. And just keep kicking him.
Well, the idea is that you're trying to get away.
Yep.
Yeah. Supposed to have a gun. Y'all still didn't tell me a knife.
Okay.
Why you do this to me, Mom? Wait, if I had a knife and I was trying to stop
No,
him.
supposed to, the character coming in and you have a knife. And
Okay, so I have a knife.
So he has a knife. All right.
So I grab you with one hand.
Yeah. Okay. So same thing. He's got a knife. So what's he gonna do with the knife?
Why can't you just stab him?
So he goes to stab. Okay. From here, I could break his arm from there. I'll break. If he's got the knife, I'm grabbing onto here. I'm breaking his own arm.
Oh.
And also taking the knife away from him.
Gee. That's good. That's good. I like that.
And look. No. Hand his elbow. Look.
Oh, my God.
I can't move that arm.
Oh.
It's caught. It's caught like this. So I have here.
Why don't you just come in this stomping place
Why did it have to at that point?
and say, wait a minute, give me your gun. Where's that knife at? Give me this knife. Leave me alone, you nasty old man.
Well, he's already.
Oh.
No, you know what's already happened to him though. As a result, once he's on the ground, what you didn't see was when he was on the ground.
My arm was broken.
His arm was
Chris stabbed
broken.
me in the
I
neck.
stabbed him through the neck. You remember, this is going through his throat.
Okay.
His spine is back here. It goes through his spine. Twist. It separates the spinal column. So
Well.
everything from here down will shut down.
Okay.
He's
So
paralyzed.
I
from the neck
still
down.
want to beat him, especially if I see him trying to rape
No,
somebody.
Grandma, no, Grandma. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Someone's gonna die.
I said,
All right.
I